So this diecast car here in front of you used to belong to a buddy of mine. Uh, my buddy passed away, and he had a toolbox down my cellar. And a few years after he passed away, I was going through his toolbox and seeing what he had. I'm kind of trying to clean up my cellar, and I came across this diecast car. So my buddy used to own it, and he was a really good friend of mine. And so this car, as I kind of held on to it, and just just to remember my buddy Larry, And so I've had it for a few years, and then I recently joined the Classic Plastic Model Club. That's out of Massachusetts, and we meet in Drake it once a month, and it's a great model club, and really nice people over there too. It seems like this model community is just a group of really good people. It's awesome. I love it. But anyways, I noticed that Classic Plastics logo resembles this car except for it's purple. So I'd like to have this thing redone. I reached out to Mike at Mike's Mods and Customs and asked him if he would be interested in doing a commission restoration for me on this diecast. And I told him, it had sentimental value to me, and I want to make it look like the Classic Plastic logo. And he said he would help me out. So he said mail it to me. So I mailed it to him, and so here's what it looks like now. I think he did a great job, Mike. He stripped the old paint off. He cleaned up the windshield. He detailed the interior, detailed the front, put some new wheels on it, painted the trim. I think you did a great job, buddy. Really good job. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. Boy, this community is awesome. And it's guys like Mike over at Mike's Mods and Customs that help make it an awesome community. If you don't know Mike, go to his channel, Mike Mods and Customs. He does a lot of cool things. He builds models, and he restores diecast. Cool channel. Go check him out. A little display case for it at Hobby Lobby. They sell them in packs of 6. This is the club logo, and I think Mike did a great job replicating this. So if you guys don't know Classic Plastic Model Club, they got a website. Go check them out. If you're in the neighborhood, consider joining. There's a lot of great model builders over there, and nice people, and they're willing to help out. Exchange tips, go to club meetings, go to shows. It's a great way to meet other model builders.